Hi Easy Clean team, here are the 9 easy steps that you need to follow. First step, you always have to check your calendar for any cleaning details, and you'll find the starting date, the client's name, who's responsible, and how you're gonna access the site. Number 2, make sure you have the right equipment to do the cleaning job. Number 3, you need to wear your PPE. This means your mask, your safety glasses, and your gloves. Number 4, you have to go to the communication book where you'll find the COVID-19 form. Here, you have to put your name, your symptoms, take your temperature, write down the temperature, and sign for every single clean you do. Number 5, take a picture of the premises that you're doing a job and upload it to the work chat. Number 6, when starting your clean, always think of how you're gonna do the cleaning. This means doing it the most efficient way, especially if you're working with a partner. You need to see if there's gonna be people on the premises and if you have to work your way around it. Number 7, after you finish all your cleaning, you'll have to go all around the premises disinfecting with this spray. We will have a special sanitizer that you will put only 50 ml of the product, the rest filled up with water. We will use this only on traffic areas, furniture, walls. Avoid electronics. Number 8, after you finished and you left the premises, you have to make sure you dispose your gloves correctly and your wipes correctly. This means that you have to put it in a trash bag and throw it in a bin. Number 9, take a picture of the premises and upload it to the work chat. This is how we know that you have finished your clean. If you have another clean next, make sure to have cross-contamination in mind, so please use different mops. Thank you.